soon to the candy shop. Where you going, baby?
Wala, we forgot it. You better.
Ano ba yung alam natin?
Tayo nag-order yan.
Honey, honey na lang. Honey, honey.
Honey na lang. Ano yun?
Go, basta ako intro, honey, honey.
Hindi naman ako intro dun
I
eh.
mean, intro mo yung song. Guys, honey, honey.
So guys, we're going to sing our latest song, latest single, Honey Honey!
Pa, ito yung mic.
Si Bebe ang opener.
Oh, ito yung gagawin natin mic.
Oh my God, it's everything. I love it. Just like winter melting into spring.
Yeah. Sino na?
Look at what it does for me. Oh baby, you don't gotta dance. I'm already obsessed. Take it slow. I won't try to fight it. So make it strong and let it flow. You're just how I like it. Give me the golden hour, just like a beat of sour. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey dripping for me. Every kiss a highlight, no one can love me so right. Your love is sugar sweet like honey, honey dripping for me. Stay, stick with me. Who no love it, who no love it. Stay, so sticky and sweet. Sorry. Like honey, honey dripping for me.
Okay na, thank you!
Yeah!
Next song, ito naman, by Kehlani. Honey. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Di ko magagawa, nararamdaman pag ikaw ang katabi. Katabi, katabi. Sasabihin ko ba o idaan na lang sa simpleng ngiti? How we turn with it on the face, you don't say anything, but it's
All na lang tayo, all, para marinig.
my heart's so strong. Oh, ba't nakakabaliw tong pag-ibig? Baby, no more games. Just give me a sign. Gusto mo ba na sa'kin manggaling? Gusto mo ba malaman ano ang iniisip? Let's lose track of the time and rewind and repeat. Yes, boy, here's my guarantee. Love ko is na miss ng unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Ooh, unang kilig. Yeah.
Yes! Unang Kilig is our latest single po. So if you have time, you can listen to it on all digital streaming platforms worldwide. Yes. Unang Kilig and Honey.
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 Yeah. So, ilan na yung viewers natin? Wow! Bakit ang dami? I cannot believe it.
Maybe because it's
Wow.
Lunchtime daw.
Hi, everyone.
Baka break.
gabi sa ibang country na.
Sa mga napadaan lang. Anong English nun? Sa mga napadaan lang.
Hello
To everyone who just passed by.
Yeah.
Sige,
Hi, we're
translate.
Beanie.
Translate namin lahat ng thoughts mo. Okay.
Sa lahat mo lang napadaan lang, maraming salamat po sa pagpapanood sa aming Beanie. We're just a new
Wait
group.
lang, ang haba.
Wait.
Per ano naman? Per phrase
Per
naman.
ano?
Okay.
Sa lahat mo lang napadaan, hello po, kami po ang Beanie.
Hello to everyone who's watching. We're Beanie.
And sobra na may kinagagalak na nanonood kayo ngayon dito.
And
We are
so
delighted to have
grateful.
you here.
Just choose A or B.
Aray!
Or C.
Regine Velasquez.
A or B or C, Regine Velasquez. Sorry.
Okay, next.